Hey everyone, this is Dipesh from Ultimate Language Academy, and in today's video you are going to learn a proven and tested describe image template that you can use to get your 80s band in PTE speaking in 2020. Now guys, this is the same template that I personally tested myself and got my 90 band score, and this is also the same template that hundreds of my students have been using it to get their 7 band, 8 band or 9 band score in 2020. Now before I jump into the template, there are a few things I want to make clear to you guys. Your describe image is not about one particular template. There is no such thing as one right template. And if someone says you that this is the only way to do this describe image, this is the only correct template for describe image, then don't listen to them. Your describe image is not about the one template, but it's more about how you use that template, how you use your preparation time given to you, and how you deliver your template. And in today's video, I'm not just going to show you guys the template, but I'm also going to show you how to use the template, how to make the best use of your preparation time, and how to deliver your template. And I'm also going to show you guys how to use this very same template for the different type of images like your graphs, your maps, cycles, and the random pictures. Now the template I'm going to show you today is going to be based on the things we discussed in our previous video where I talked about the tips, tricks, and strategies for the describe image 2020. So if you haven't already watched that video, guys, make sure you watch it. Then you would have a much better understanding of this template, much better understanding of this video, and you'll learn how to use this template with a proper pronunciation and fluency. So this is our template, and as we have discussed before, you will need 5 things from image in order to fill up your template. So type of image, heading, numbers, elements, and the conclusion. So in our template we'll include the type of image in here, and then we have heading in here, and then we have numbers, elements in here, and then finally we'll conclude in our last line. So for each different images, the things in the bracket over here are the only things that needs to be changed. The rest of the stuff in our template will remain exactly the same. Yes guys, even this color line over here, this will remain exactly the same. It doesn't matter whether this color are there or not. We are going to say the same colors for all the images. Now you may think this is stupid or illogical, but remember guys, the colors are not keywords of your images. So even if you say the correct color, you are not going to get any extra marks for that. Or because describe image does not have any negative marking, even if you say the wrong colors from the images, you are not going to lose any marks for that. All of our contents is covered by these things over here in the bracket. So it does not matter whether you say the colors or not. But we want to say this color line. Why? Because we want to speak for at least about 30 seconds, and this line will help us to speak about 30 seconds. On top of that, we want to say the same colors all the time, because that way we would have enough practice, and then when we actually do our describe image in the exam, we don't have to think in that line, we don't have to pause in that line, and that way we won't lose any marks in our fluency and pronunciation. Now guys, for each different type of images, we are going to change these things over here, these 4 things: your type of image, heading, few numbers, and few elements. And in your describe image, you will be given 25 seconds of preparation time, and this preparation time is extremely crucial because this is the time where you are going to figure out those things. So I strongly recommend you guys to make a note of these things during this preparation time. So write down the type of image, write down the heading of the image, write down a few numbers and elements in your notebook. Especially the numbers and elements, because there are going to be a lot of numbers in the graph or your image, or there are going to be a lot of elements in there, and you don't have time to say all of those things. So whichever things you wish to say, write down that in your notebook. So around 3 or 4 numbers and around 3 or 4 elements should be enough. Now let me show you guys how I would approach describe image in my examination, how I would make notes, and how I would speak my describe image. So here is one typical example of an image that you might get in your exam. Now as soon as I have this in my exam, I'll start making notes. So the type of image is a bar graph, and then heading of the image, it's media in UK, and then there are a lot of numbers over in here. Now I'm not going to say all of these numbers, so maybe 40%, 50%, 60%, and maybe 3%. So these 4 I'll say in my response. And then there are the elements over here. There are some words written in here: internet, radio, TV, and newspaper. And there are some dates as well. So 2001, 2003, and 2005. I don't have time to say all of this, so I'm just going to say internet, radio, TV, and 2001 and 2003 in my response as an element. Now once you figure out what to say in your describe image, once you have this, it's just a matter of speaking with a proper pronunciation and a proper fluency. So let me show you guys how I would speak this describe image in my examination, or how you should speak your describe image in your examination. So here we go. There is a beautiful bar graph in front of me. I need to describe this image for 40 seconds. Let me have a closer look at the image. After having a closer look, I can see different trends are emerging from the picture. I can see some colors such as blue, black and white. I can see a heading in the image. The heading is about media in UK. I can see different numbers in this image such as 40%, 50%, 60% and 19%. I can see different elements in the image such as internet, radio, TV, 2001 and 2003. I can see different shapes and sizes in the image. To conclude, the image gives a lot of information about media in UK. That's it guys, you do this and you will be able to get your full points in your describe image and your PTE speaking in 2020. Just keep in mind that you have to give appropriate pauses while speaking, just like I did, especially in full stops, you have to give clear pause. Now most of the other graphs, your line graphs, your pie charts, your maps, your cycle, they are going to be pretty much same. You just have to change these things in the red over here according to the image, and then you have to speak out exactly like this and you'll be able to get your full points. Now guys, let me show you how to do your random picture in the examination. In your examination, sometimes you will be given a random picture where there is no heading, where there is no numbers, no any elements written in there. And let me show you how to tackle that image in your examination. So here is one typical examination of random picture you might get in your examination. Once I get this picture in examination, straight away I will start making notes. So the type of image, you can write either image or picture, whatever you want to, and then the heading of the image. Now, after looking at the image, whatever you think the image is about, write that as a heading of your image. So this could either be an auditorium, a conference room, or a conference hall. So either of those I will use as my heading. And then the elements in the image, they are going to be whatever things you see in the image. So for this one, I can see chairs, I can see stage, I can see screen, walls and windows. These are all the elements of my image, and I'm going to write that down as well. Now, the numbers of the image. Now in numbers guys, whenever you have pictures like this in your examination, always use these numbers: 0, 10, 20 and 30. Now, you might think this is stupid or illogical, but remember guys, the numbers are not keywords from this image. So even if you use these numbers, you are not going to get any extra marks for that. Or even if you don't say number at all, or even if you say wrong numbers, you are not going to lose any marks. All of our contents are covered by these things over here. So even by saying the numbers, you are not going to lose marks or you are not going to get extra marks. But still, we want to say these numbers for two reasons. One, we want to speak at least about 30 seconds. And this number will help us to speak till the end of recording. Number two, we don't want to make any sudden changes in our template. Because we want to get full marks in our pronunciation and our fluency, making any kind of changes in our template, for example, removing this line might cause us to pause in there, might cause us to hesitate or think in there. That way will hamper our fluency. So we want to avoid that. We want to include these numbers and we want to include the same numbers everywhere. That way we would have enough practice and we won't make any kind of fluency error in our examination. Now guys, again, once we figure out these things, this is what your describe image should look like. And now it's just a matter of speaking it with proper pronunciation and your fluency. Now again, let me show you guys how I would speak this describe image in my examination. So here you go. There is a beautiful picture in front of me. I need to describe this image for 40 seconds. Let me have a closer look at the image. After having a closer look, I can see different trends are emerging from the picture. I can see some colors such as blue, black and white. I can see a heading in the image. The heading is about auditorium. I can see different numbers in this image such as 0, 10, 20 and 30. I can see different elements in this image such as chairs, stage, screen, lights and windows. I can see different shapes and sizes in the image. To conclude, the image gives a lot of information about auditorium. That's it guys, you do this with the proper pauses and proper pronunciation and fluency like I did, and you would be able to get your full points in describe image and full points in your PTE speaking in 2020. That's it guys, use this template, practice this template until you are as fluent and as clear as me, and you would be able to get 79 plus score in your speaking section in 2020 like hundreds of my students. Guys, if you have any questions regarding describe image or this video, please leave it in the comment below and I'll answer them for you. Also guys, for more updates and more PT content like this, please subscribe our channel. Guys, thanks for watching. All the best for your PT preparation. I'll see you in the next one. See you.